Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Hello.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good
Just a
evening,
minute.
ma'am.
Good evening. Hey Janvi.
Ma'am, in school they taught us about selling price and cost price. Like I did not understand it quite much. Like, do you know about it?
What did you say?
Selling price and cost price.
Selling price and cost price. Yeah, that's profit and loss. You don't
Yeah.
it as such.
Yeah.
I mean, at least for this, but yeah,
Good
I can
evening,
still tell
ma'am.
you. Good evening. It's like suppose you get a pen for yourself, okay, and that costs you 10 rupees. But someone in your class really likes it and kind of, insists you to sell this pen to him or her. Of course, you did a lot of hard work to go to a certain place and get this pen. So you decide, why can't I sell him at a profit? So you think of keeping 2 rupees and give him the same pen for 12 rupees. So if you sell that pen to your friend at 12, that becomes the selling price. And since you bought it for 10, that was your cost price. So in this entire transaction, you made 2 rupees as profit.
Okay, now I get it. By the way, in my class, I would make zero profit because they'll just snatch it and go.
Oh my God. Say Aradhya. Good evening, everyone.
Ma'am, I'm outside, so can I keep my camera off?
Yeah, sure. Arnav, say, and please remove any prefixes from your name.
Ma'am,
Say,
ma'am, before 2 days, my exam was of maths, and it come profit and loss.
hmm. Say something.
Ma'am,
Think.
Ma'am, what did we do last class? I was absent because I have my
Geometry
exams.
set 4.
Oh,
Geometry set 4.
ma'am, did we play any blockade game last class?
Yes, we did. What? I don't remember. Say
Ma'am, I
Vedant.
think
Battle Royale, ma'am.
Oh yeah, Battle Royale Samriddhi. Vedant.
Ma'am, we are doing this in school.
What? Profit and loss?
Yes.
Same, ma'am. Say, okay. Shania, say. Arnav, your turn is gone now. Now you have to wait.
Ma'am, I was just saying, is it raining in your place?
Yeah, it is heavily raining in my place. It has broken last 11 years record. You know that? 11 years record. I just got to
Yeah.
know today in news
It's
that it is.
literally 5 minutes ago, it was like not raining because I came back from Taekwondo, and now it's like raining so hard. It was like as loud as a bomb, the thunder.
Yes, exactly. And it's continuously raining here for 5 days. That's why I'm not feeling well also. Got unwell. Say, Aradhya, Manoharan.
Ma'am, we learned profit and loss in our school, and I have like a tip to remember what to do in the
Mm-hmm.
profit and loss question. Can I say it, ma'am?
Yes, please.
So in a profit, the selling price is equal to the cost price plus the profit, and in the profit is equal to selling price minus the cost price, and in the cost price it is selling price minus profit. So you have to remember that in only profit you have to add for selling price, and for loss is equal to actual price minus selling price, cost price minus selling price, and for cost price is selling
Hey,
price
you're reading out
minus
the
loss.
formulas, boss. That's not a shortcut.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
looking at the formula and reading it, most importantly. Say that how to remember it. Okay. Say Jia. It's okay, Aradhya. It's fine.
Basically,
Vedant,
we had
stop.
just completed geometry in our class, which was like only
how to do the construction, and now we're learning decimals, which I know everything. I was just waiting, and ma'am was like, "Stop answering the questions." Yeah, I'm like waiting there.
Yeah. Okay, Samriddhi Srivastav. And yes, Vedant, I have added that video. I'll be sharing that link with you people. I've added that day itself, same night. Say Samriddhi.
Ma'am, in our school, maths periodic test happened. In that, I got full marks.
Oh, congratulations. Well done. Keep it up, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, where do you live?
I live in Jamshedpur. That's in Jharkhand.
Ma'am, Mumbai, it's raining crazy.
I know Mumbai is always known for it, but it's a surprise for Jamshedpur to have so much of rainfall this year.
Yeah, ma'am.
In Mumbai, I
Ma'am,
have
send some
seen
rain.
it in news that it's almost gets the roads get flooded, even the railway tracks get flooded. Say Arnav, then we'll go to Vedant.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, send some rain here.
I'm sorry for not doing the homework because I can't open my old laptop is broken and a
It's
new
okay, it's
laptop
okay, that's
can't
fine.
open. Ma'am, there are so many warnings of Ahmedabad. Train crash,
That is also true. That's a place
ma'am,
also. Ah.
train.
Say Janvi. Oh guys, why are so many people raising hand? Go fast. And
Ma'am,
if
it's
there's any
also
doubt,
raining.
type it in the chat box.
Ma'am, it's also raining cats and dogs here in Tamil Nadu, Chennai.
Oh, Chennai also. Monsoon has hit really fast. Adya, I never knew you live in Ranchi. Wow, that's too close to me then.
Ma'am, you also asked me one time. I also told you.
Oh, then right now, where are you?
Ma'am, I'm in Nigeria.
That's exactly okay. So that's why I got confused. So you are from Ranchi and currently in Nigeria. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say Rianshi.
Ma'am, do you know in Delhi it was also raining hard few minutes ago?
Delhi also. Overall, India now it's the same issue. Rain has become an issue now because it's not stopping. Earlier we used to pray for rain. Say Bhumik.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
in Ahmedabad, I have my house also, but it is so complete out of Ahmedabad. Train crash. Yes.
Oh, okay. Fine. Say Aditi. Fast.
Ma'am, yes, I saw your other gold bus video. You got so much of money, like 27 digits.
Exactly. I think there were other people also. Samriddhi, you were there in that gold quest, right? That was a reasoning class gold quest, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, they were crazy. I think 11, 13 people got that 27 highest digit of blue kit possible. Okay, fine. We'll talk about that later. Is there any doubts from the set 4? Geometry set 4. No doubts. We'll directly move to set 5 then. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, you told it was raining outside for you, right?
Hmm.
Unlucky you. We literally have summer and it is literally so hot in here that I have to wear 10 ACs above me right now.
What? Where are you right now?
Karnataka, Bengaluru.
Oh, Bangalore. Don't worry, when it will rain, you will have to swim and go to school.
Yeah. Exactly. I would say.
Adyasha, say. Oh, sorry, Advika. I always get confused between Adyasha and Advika. I'm so sorry. Advika, go ahead. Rename yourself.
Ma'am, I'm sorry I'm late. I joined at 7 because ma'am, it's raining so much over here. Before when I arrived from school, it was like
Pune. You're close to
pouring,
Pune,
pouring.
right?
Yes, miss. And because of the network, I couldn't join that fast. And miss, I couldn't do the homework because of the network. I couldn't
Okay.
download.
That's fine. Okay, fine, everyone. So I'm not sharing my screen for the homework doubts then. Say
Hello,
Sanya.
miss.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi, Abraj. Say Sanya.
ma'am. It's not raining much here in Kerala, ma'am.
Not raining much in Kerala. Wow, lucky.
Ma'am, it's like little bit like rain and then it will go, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's
Say
raining so much in Kerala in my place, like in Calicut.
Oh my God, same state but different weathers. Okay, fine, guys. I've heard you people once, so I'll directly move to Manvik now. The people who have already talked, no. We are already 11 minutes into it.
Ma'am, I have doubts in the set 4. That's why I raised my hand.
Oh, okay. Then did you type it in the chat box?
Yeah.
9 and 10. Okay, I'll just do that. Aradhya, say. Oh, you're joining from a different device, that's why. Okay. Manvik, say.
Ma'am, I am saying that like I think it's medium. It's not raining much and it's not like hot too much. I even played cricket right now in my veranda with my mother, father, and sister.
Good. Say, Tanisha.
Ma'am, in Delhi it's much raining. Today it rained 2 times and it is now also raining only here.
Wow. And here it's not even stopping once. It's continuously raining. Anirudh, say.
So sorry, ma'am. That day I got hurt, so I didn't know. Like I have to do homework.
No problem, Anirudh. It's fine.
Thank
Say,
you.
Aradhya. Aradhya.
Ma'am, which one?
Aradhya Purvat. You're raising hand. That's why I called you. Rianshi, say. And then Mishika.
Ma'am, from 2 days I was absent, so I don't know that on which part we were. So I didn't know that we had to do this.
That's okay. Mishika.
Ma'am, are you wearing a sweater?
Yeah, I have fever. No, I'm feeling cold. Okay.
Ma'am, I also have doubts. I have written it in the chat box.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. I see it now. Sadhna is written so hot. Where are you, Sadhna? Gurugram, it's raining. It broke records. Okay, Shania. I'm reading the messages now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All the even numbers plus 1, 9. 7 and 9. Oh, okay, Manasvi, that's fine. Not a problem. Tanisha, done. Okay, fine. I have read all the messages now. Possibly Aradhya, very hot here. Okay. Bhumek, what happened? Go fast.
Ma'am, I have done all the sets, 7.
Don't tell
No
me.
doubt.
Last time I asked you a question and you couldn't answer it. I don't know how you did the questions. You're not checking the answer, only doing the question. That will not help. Ask Mama to check the answers for you. Okay, question number 2. Sadhna, how to do this?
Instead of these,
Ma'am,
okay,
1 second.
copy their pen.
Papa?
It's okay, Sadhna. Take your time.
Ma'am, 14 is the height and 4 is the base. So 14 into 4, which is 56. Then 56 divided by 2, which is 28.
Thank you. Is that okay? Number 2, Mishika?
Ma'am, so basically we can base into height we will multiply, which will give us 56, and then we will multiply it by half. Sorry, yeah, half.
That's
So
right.
that's it.
Okay.
Ma'am, and this is the second way to do it.
Yes. What I did was just a cancellation in the middle. You can do it without cancelling it also. First multiply both of them and then divide it by 2.
I didn't understand why we divided by multiply it by half.
Because we want to find half area. So basically this is half of a parallelogram. If you just
Yeah.
stick another same looking triangle on the other side, it will become a parallelogram. This side and this side parallel, this side and this side parallel. So parallelograms area is base into height. So you break them into 2 equal parts, you get half of that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Say Manasvi.
Ma'am, can I keep my camera off because I'm eating?
Yeah, sure, no problem. Question number 4. Say Samriddhi, sing.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the formula.
We just discussed it, right? Half times base times height. Oh, you have to check the video. Come on, Samriddhi. I cannot explain full 1 hour class in 5 minutes. Either you remember this is the formula or you check back the entire video. You are supposed to check the videos when you join a class after, missing a class. This is the formula for calculating the area of a triangle where, for example, in this question, this is my base and this is my height. So height and base can be termed anything. Like you can call 12 as the height also. If you switch the triangle like this, it is not a problem because they are multiplied with each other. So it's commutative property. You can consider anything. But you have to be careful that this longer side is my hypotenuse and it's not important for us for calculating the area. So 20 is not needed in this question. We only need to go with the height and the base. The one where 90 degrees formed, the two sides. So you multiply these two sides and divide it by 2. That's how you get the area. Done? Say Aradhya Manoharan.
Ma'am, I did not really understand the above question. We got 28 too.
You said you did not do the exercise. Or
No,
you
ma'am.
did the
I said
exercise, you had no doubts.
yes, ma'am. Now, but like I did the exercise, but like I kind of I did the exercise, but now like I don't understand because I'm not getting some kind of answer.
Aradhya, this is fishy, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I finished already though.
What did you finish?
I finished this set 4.
Yeah, so why didn't you write it in the chat box that number 2 is your doubt?
No, it's not like my doubt, but like I forgot how to do it because I have a short memory. But I did it.
Not convincing, but it's okay. Aditi, say what happened.
Ma'am, could you explain the last problem again? I did not really understand.
Okay, I'll go back. Say, Aradhya, no, sorry, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, actually, I don't really solve it in the method you are solving it. I also do the same, but in a different way. I first multiply it one by half into breadth. When I get the answer, then I again multiply it by the height. I don't first by the three units, so it's okay.
Yeah, absolutely fine. Okay. So moving to the last question. Where is it? Number 2. Here we have taken the height and the base. So height is always where the 90 degrees formed and the line on which it falls or the side on which it falls is your base. So height becomes 4 and base becomes 14. So according to the formula, half multiplied with base into height. So 4 into 14 divided by 2. Multiplied with half means divide by 2. So either you multiply first and then divide or you cancel midway. No problem. Both will give you 28 as the answer. If you don't multiply, if you don't divide first, then you multiply, you get 56 and then you divide 56 by 2, you get 28. Clear, Aditi, Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Sejia.
Ma'am, what if we suppose divided 1 by 2 by 7? So 7 into 4 will you again give you the same answer, right?
Yeah, that's true. Any number you can divide. That's fine. Okay, after 4, we have the next one as number 6. So here they have given this diagram. Actually, some dots are missing here. There should be a dot like this. So they want to give you the height because 90 degrees formed here. And this is your base. Even if it's not a connected line, don't worry. That's not a problem. Okay. So we'll use the same formula. 5 into 4 divided by 2. This and this cancel. We get 10. So option A is the right answer. 6A. Say, Aradhya.
Number 5 is my doubt. I have written it.
Louder.
Number 5 is my doubt. I have written it.
Oh, I missed it. No problem. You joined from a different device, no, so I was checking your latest chat. Say, Arnav.
Ma'am, you forget to close the chat box.
No, I did that.
No,
Didn't
ma'am.
I?
I am using main chat.
No. Check now. I've already closed it. It was open earlier when you guys were saying good evening, but not after that. Okay, question number 5. One of the angles of a triangle is 110 degrees and the other two angles are equal. So what is the measure of the equal angle? Sorry. So when the other angle is equal, what should we do in this case? This is x and this is also x. So we'll do 180 degree plus 2x equals to 110 plus 2x is equals to 180 because all the three angles add up to 180. Now 2x is equals to 180 minus 110. That means 2x is equals to 70. Okay. X is equals to 70 by 2 and that makes the value of each angle as 35. Now you verify the answer if it's right or it's wrong. 35 plus 35 plus 110. If that gives you the value as 180, only then your answer is correct. Did you get it, Aradhya?
Yes,
Say
I
Vedant. Thank you. Vedant, are you talking on mute?
No, ma'am, I was waiting for you to.
I called you. Say Vedant.
Oh, you called me. Okay. So, ma'am, I used the same method, but ma'am, I'm just verifying. Ma'am, what is this 110 plus 2n equals to 180?
Yeah, this is x and this is also x. Both the angles are equal. So I have added all three of them. So then when I add x plus x, it becomes 2x.
Yeah, but instead of doing all that, it will become more complicated. So directly you can start with 180 minus 110. Then it will become 70.
Yeah,
70
Vedant,
divided by
that's
2 is
okay.
25.
That's correct. We can directly do it. But see, I'm doing it in the normal way because, some people need help with how did this happen. They'll again come back asking, how did this happen, ma'am? So that's why I'm doing it from the basic steps.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Let's go. Next question number 6 is done. Now 7. Mishika, did you do the 7th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Say, how will we do this?
Ma'am, we will do this like
Say.
ma'am, like we will do it like ma'am, the right angle of the angle means 90 degree. So when we minus 90 minus 70, we get 20.
Exactly. We have to make sure that the triangle adds up to 180 degrees. So therefore, this has to be 20 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, anyone in number 7? No? Okay, done. Then, not do, sorry. It's okay, Janvi, that's fine. Okay. Then, Nanika, are you there? Nanika. Nanika, you never respond when I call you during the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Do the 8th question.
Okay, ma'am. So, can I have a minute or so?
Since
You did the homework?
Well, no, ma'am.
Did you write it in the chat box that you did not do it? This is a repeated action, Nanika.
Sorry, ma'am.
Next time I will not bear this. Next time if this happens and I get to know before you inform me, then you will not see me yourself in this class. I will not let you join this. Sorry.
Okay, so
No need to answer this one. It's fine. Time out for you today. You are active while we are discussing something else in the class, and when I call you for a question, first you respond back after 1.5 minutes, and then you say that you have not done the homework and not informed also. Others are fools who are informing me that they are not able to do the homework because of certain reasons. Bad habit. Path Sharma, can you please help me in the 8th one?
and the answer is 24.
Formula.
Ma'am, 4 into 12 equals to 48, and 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24.
Thank you. 24, everyone. Did you get the answer? Those who had a doubt in the number 8th one? Yep. Okay. Number 9, Manvik. Can you help me?
Yes,
Area is
ma'am.
given,
Ma'am,
height
in
is
number
missing.
9, ma'am, I have solved it by this way. Ma'am, we have to first write 1 by 2 multiply by dash multiply by 10 equal to 25. So over here, we know that at 2 can divide 10. So we will just divide 2 by itself, which will make it 1, and 10 will become 5. And we know that 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. So 5 is the answer.
Thank you. That's absolutely right. Did everyone understand this method? Say Arnav.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
So Arnav, do you know the formula is half base into height?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the base? 10. What is the height? X. And they have told us that the area is 25. Now in this formula, can I simplify 10 by 2 and make it 5?
Yes.
So 5 multiplied with x is written as 5x. 5x is equals to 25. So 5 multiplied with x is 25. So if you shift the 5 to the other side, it becomes division.
Right.
So 25 by 5 is how much?
5.
God bless you, Srihan. Yeah. 25 by 5 is 5. So therefore the height is 5. Verify the answer by taking 5 into 10 and divide it by a 2. You should get a 25. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, I'm generally getting confused how to do it in these type of questions, finding the area of this triangle and those type of
No, the
questions. I'm
area is
getting
already
confused.
given. The area is already given. You have to find out the height.
Ma'am, like I'm getting confused in these type of questions.
So did you understand how we did this one?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So look, firstly, we know the formula that half into base into height is equals to area. Now, whatever data, what are the variables which I have with me, Vedant? 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 variables, right? 3 alphabets.
Yes.
And how many values do we have with us? We
Oh.
have the value of the base, we have the value of the area. That means half into base, that is 10, into height, which I don't know, is equals to 25. Now, when I put all the numbers, Vedant, I am left with only one variable, that is x. Now,
Yes.
whenever we are left with a variable, we try to keep the variable on one side, left side, and shift all the numbers to the right side. So first, before shifting, can I find out that half of 10 is 5?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means 5x is equals to 25. Now, as I said, I will keep the variable on the left side and shift all the numbers to the right. So if I shift a multiplication to the right side, it will become division.
No, I'm not understanding 5x equals to 25. How did we get that?
From here. 10 by 2 is 5 and 5 multiplied with x is 5x.
5 multiplied by x?
10 divided by 2 is 5 and
Yes.
5 multiplied with x is 5x.
Oh, so 5x equals to 25 and x equals to 25 divided by 5.
That's right.
And the answer is 5.
Correct.
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Thank you. Say Parth.
And we can do it with another method. We
Say.
get the answers 25, 25 2 is 15. And which number multiplied with 10 will give 50? That is 10.
Absolutely. Correct. This is for mental maths. So you all can also do it this way. That 10 times x times half, sorry, is equals to 25. Sorry. So if you shift the half to the other side, it becomes into 2. So 10x is equals to 50 and x will be equals to 5. Like what number multiplied with 10 gives you a 50? That gives you 5. Okay. But again, I know that it will be confusing how half becomes 2. So that's why I did not prefer this path. I have to take the easiest way. Okay, the 10th one is a very theoretical question. There are 6 parts of a triangle, 3 angles and 3 sides. 3 angles and 3 sides. Is that okay? Any more doubts on this side? No? Okay. Then we'll be moving into the 5th part. So let's start it and then we can do it later. I mean, go for a break a little later. Devashri,
Yes, ma'am.
what are we learning for the 5th part? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
Not a good thing. You should be very, very actively checking the, what do you call? No, now don't raise hands. The people who are raising hand, I know, you know. I told this last class also, I gave you an intro of rectangles and triangles and started rectangles and square and started triangle. So we are doing rectangles and squares only and it's very easy, super duper simple. So I'll share my screen and we'll directly jump to the questions. That's fine. I know what are we doing next. So keep your hands down if you are going to tell me that. If you have something new for me, then wait. Say, Jia.
Ma'am, will we have a game today?
Yeah. Okay. Super duper simple. The formula is already on your screen. Let's go. Say Vedant.
I mean, it's not analysis, but in the beginning, you told that you sent the video link or something like that.
Yeah, I'll share it during the break time. You all can watch it.
Like, what is that video?
Your video where you're commentating.
Oh, of Battle Royale last class.
Yes.
Okay.
Say Jia.
And ma'am, how was my commentating that time?
Very good.
Thank you.
Ma'am, width
Yeah.
and height are the same, right?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
With height, breadth, everything will work here. Just check for the right units, you will get the answer. Reyanshi, can you tell me the answer for this one?
Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is and width is 15 centimeter and 20 centimeter.
Did not do it yet?
Ma'am, actually, I was absent in a few
You have
days.
the formula on your screen, Reanshi. We did not do this in the last class. We have started it fresh now. The formula is at the top of the screen. You have to put it in the formula. I have already done that. This is just calculation. It's fine. You can take your time. Say, Aradhya Purvar, I want you to solve this.
Ma'am, first we will do 15 plus 20, which will give us 35. Then we will do 35 times 2, which is 70.
Select the
70,
correct unit.
70 centimeter square.
Wrong answer. Devashri, can you tell me the light unit?
The unit is centimeters.
That's right. When you're finding out the perimeter, you're just adding up the sides. So when you're adding up the sides, you don't find the square. Square is when you multiply two sides. And that happens only in the case of area, where you're multiplying two units. So therefore, you will get the answer as 70 centimeter only. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, this is one second question. Ma'am, you know the answer is only 70 because all the option is 70. And we have to just see
I just told you,
centimeters.
just concentrate on the area. Sorry, unit. Jia say.
Ma'am, why? But centimeters are getting multiplied, right? So why isn't it?
Multiplied with 2. 2 doesn't have a centimeter with it.
Oh, okay.
Vedant say.
Ma'am, we can find out that the 70 is answer in another method. So instead of doing 15 plus 20, 35, 35 is 2, we can do 15
Yeah, you
plus
double
15.
each of them and then add them.
Yes, ma'am. 15 plus 15, 30, 20
Yeah.
plus 20, 40,
Sanya
30
say.
plus 40, 70.
That's possible, possible. Say Sanya.
Ma'am, for this, what kind of questions will come, ma'am?
These type of questions will only come. They'll give you the units. They'll give you the sides and you will have to find out the perimeter. And that was a very weird lip which you made, Mishika. Don't do that. Your lips will stay like that forever. Say Sadhna.
Ma'am, 2 into length plus width, right?
Yes. So
Okay.
add length plus width and double it. Okay. Perimeter of a square. Formula is also on the screen. Riyansh, what's the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
The perimeter of. Ma'am, 40 centimeter.
Option?
Option C.
That's the right answer. 10 into 4 is 40 and it's a perimeter, so it will stay centimeter only. Arna, why are you raising hand?
Can I go to washroom? I have written.
Yeah, don't wait for my permission. Just write and go. Say, Jia, what happened?
Ma'am, if it's a area, then do we need to multiply the centimeters?
Yes, we do. Like this.
Okay.
Tanisha, can you answer this one? Tanisha is not responding. Sanika, can you answer this one?
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm joining on phone. I can't see your screen. I'm refreshing it. That's why it's taking time.
Can you see it now?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
It's
then you fix it.
loading.
Then we'll get back to you. Say, Sanika. Sanika is also not responding. We'll go to Advika.
Yes, miss. So find the area of the rectangle whose length is 10 centimeters and the width is 4 centimeters. Ma'am, so the formula is length multiplied by width equals square unit. So 10 multiplied by 4 is 40. So we have to also write the unit. So the answer is B, 40 centimeter square.
That's right. Thank you. Any doubts, anyone? Centimeter multiplied with another centimeter makes it centimeter square. Cm to the power 2. Yes, Samriddhi Srivastava. Go ahead.
Ma'am, what if we multiply centimeter into centimeter into centimeter?
Centimeter cube to the power 3. As many times you multiply, the same number will go at the power.
Okay.
And that will give you volume, by the way. Okay, one more hand is raised. Manasvi, say.
Ma'am, what if we don't write square, we write only 40 centimeter?
That's wrong. That's wrong answer altogether, fully.
Oh.
Units are very, very important in this chapter. You go wrong in this, you go wrong. Okay? Okay. Next one, everyone. A square with side 11. Shrihan, what's the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Miss B.
Wrong answer. Congratulations. After so long discussion, after Manasvi's question also, if you're getting it wrong, then you're definitely doing something else on your device. Anirudh,
Ma'am, it's 121 centimeter square.
thank you. 11 times 11 is 121. And as we just discussed that for a square, just for a area, we have to surely keep square. Okay. Mishika.
I'm so sorry, but which question was that there was no square meter like that one? There was no square added.
Perimeter.
Oh, perimeter.
In the case of perimeters, we don't use it like here and like here.
Oh,
Okay. Someone else raising hand. Aradhya Purvar. Go ahead. No, not Aradhya Purvar. Aradhya Manoharan. Go ahead.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt you, but would it also be correct if we put like instead of writing square, we put like 2 on it? Centimeter
Yeah.
2?
Yeah. Yes, centimeter to the power 2. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone, we'll go for a break. And yeah, I've sent the link in the chat also. So you can watch it during the break and I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, see you. Welcome back. Some smiling faces. Looks like people are still watching it. Okay, come back, come back. No
Excuse me,
talking
ma'am.
about that. No talking about that. Now come back to the questions. We have to play a game, then we have to do the full slides. Say Samriddhi, if it's related to math.
Ma'am, I just saw that you were crying, so I just wanted to ask.
That's because I'm feeling, I mean, I told you, no, I'm sneezing so hard, so that's why.
Okay,
That's
ma'am, take
not
care.
tears. Thank you. Say Samriddhi Singh.
Ma'am, could I keep my video off? Right now I'm eating my food.
That's okay. Thank God you did not tell me that you are drinking hot chocolate like last time. Say Shunara.
Ma'am, why did you get like, ma'am, ma'am, what if I said I did drink hot chocolate?
Oh, see, I last time you told me, no, that I was like,
Yes, ma'am.
oh, so I remember it. Say Shunaya.
Get well soon. And also, I was saying, in the break, I watched your YouTube video. It was very nice.
Thank you. And thank you for get well soon also. I will, I will. Say Janvi.
Ma'am, like how you sneeze, you get water out of your eyes. When I yawn, water comes out of my eyes. I don't know how. I like,
Special
and water comes
features.
out.
Special features. Okay, start doing the question, everyone. You have just 2 minutes to finish this. Say Aradhya Purvar.
First, get well soon. And
Can I get my camera off because I'm eating fruits?
Oh, oops. Again, this another person. Fruits. You don't have to specifically tell me what are you eating. That's okay. Okay, Sadhna, say.
Ma'am, right now when you said welcome back, I was still watching one of your videos. So I thought in that video you said that.
Oh. Hmm. Say Aradhya, Manoharan this time.
Ma'am, I subscribe to your channel.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Ma'am, and I also commented.
Yes, please, then I'll recognize you. There. Say Jia. Thank you, Aradhya.
Ma'am, when you get well soon, then you tell Samriddhi that you are drinking hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Say Anna.
can you record today's game too?
We'll see.
I want
Say
to
Anna.
comment.
Ma'am,
Oh, you
due to
want to?
this,
Okay.
ma'am, due to this Vedant's video, I forget to that the class is on. And I was seeing, and when I saw the class started.
I called you. Say Aditi fast.
Ma'am, first we get well soon, and second, I
Thank you.
want to be the commentator.
Oh my
Yeah, I
God. Now
really
we have
regret
a
I should
fight.
have
Jia.
asked.
Jia has already booked it, but let's see. Say Sanya.
Ma'am, can we all three commentate?
This is interestingly difficult to do. But okay, we get back to the questions, guys, please. Anirudh, say.
ma'am, for the first one and second one also, inch and inch into inch is inch square and feet into feet is feet square, ma'am.
That's right. All
Thank
the
you.
options are in the same unit only, so not a confusion.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Vedant, say.
I am taking Zia's place and rebooking as a commentator.
Look, Vedant, stop that. And second, guys, don't go by Vedant. Vedant has been asking me to commentate for last 1 year, I think.
Yeah.
So his story is different. And let's see this match. Who
Commentating.
commentates and what game are we playing? Because that was what was that? Battle Royale. So I could share screen. I'm not sure about the last, I mean, the other games which we play. Okay, fine. So question number 1, no discussion on that. Back to this. Otherwise, I don't think we'll be able to complete these many slides. Okay, if you don't complete, then no match for today. So do it fast. We'll start the first one with Manasvi and the second one with Bhumik. Manasvi for you, Bhumik for you.
In the first question, we have to multiply 11 by 17. So 11, I did like first 11 by 10 is 110 and 11 by 7 is 77. And I added 110 and 77. I got 187 is the answer.
That's correct. Thank you. Option A is the right answer. Bhumik, option B, question number 2. Thanks, Manasvi.
Ma'am, there are squares. Both are 14. We will multiply by 14 into 14. It give me 196 FT by 2.
That's correct.
Oh, ma'am, MB.
What MB? MB is Manasvi and this is Bhumik.
No, ma'am, data MB. That we install games in Play Store or App Store. We MB.
Ma'am, I think he's
Oh,
talking about
data MB.
megabyte.
Okay, megabytes. Oh, I understood now. Okay.
I think he's talking about
Definitely
megabyte.
Yeah, he downloads so many games, no? That's why he knows that better. Everyone got the same answer, no doubt. 1A, 2B, 2C. Sorry. Okay, raise your hand if you want to say something. Don't speak directly like this. Okay, fine. Question number 3 and question number 4. Shania, number 3. Hanifa, number 4.
Now I'm gonna take some time to do it.
Okay. Hanifa, if you're ready first, you can go ahead. Jia, what happened?
I did not get a chance.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll get you. Next one. And now I will also give you the next chance. Done. Vedant third. Okay. Hanifa is also not ready. Bhumik, you just got a chance. Good night. Sweet dreams. Take care. Okay, fine. Then in that case, Hanifa is not responding, so we can give Jia this question.
Ma'am,
Jia, question
ma'am.
number 4.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Hanifa is there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the answer is.
Ma'am,
Wait. Others wait. And Hanifa go. I just
Ma'am,
heard
I
someone
think-
shouting, ma'am.
I think I made a mistake in the calculation.
Okay, you can do it
Ma'am?
again. Shania, say.
I think the answer is B.
995?
No, ma'am. B.
1035. Okay, let's check. 14, 13, cross 10, 1, 9 here. So it gives you 10,035. Very good. That's the right answer. Good, Shania. Everyone got the same answer? 3B? Okay, Hanifa, are you ready with your calculation now? Do you want to estimate the answer, Hanifa?
Can I try it on the screen?
Okay, 9 times 9?
Okay. 9 times 9 is 81.
9 times 3?
27, 20.
7 plus 8?
20. 35.
Thank you. 35. 9 times 3 again?
27.
Sorry, say Hanifa. 9 times
20
3 is 27.
27.
2. 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 2?
9. 11.
That's right.
12.
And this adds up to 1521. Now a small approximation for everyone. Look, do you people know that 40 times 40 is 1600? Because 4 times 4 is 16 and then double zero. Yeah. So your answer should be close to 1600 and in fact a little less than 1600. So these two options are already out and this option is way too far from 1600. So the only option close to 1600 is option A. You all can try this method also. Sometimes it helps. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, these two third and fourth I have done mentally.
Mentally,
ma'am.
good job. I told you, good job mentally. Say Mishika.
Ma'am, we can also do this question like 40 into 40, 1600 minus 39 into 2.
Yeah, that is also correct. Okay, another two questions for you people. Seventh one and eighth one. You can zoom it from your side. And Arnav and Vedant. Arnav number 7, Vedant number 8.
What about me?
Oh, yeah. Okay,
That is
coming
the
next slide.
Ma'am, I have not got chance.
Riyansh, I called you, no? You were not responding at that time.
No, ma'am, I have got chance. You have asked me the question. Ma'am,
I also remember calling you, but if you are saying that you don't remember, then I thought that maybe you did not respond. Okay,
ma'am,
done
I
then.
respond.
Ma'am, you did not give me a chance.
Okay, Samriddhi Singh. Next, you and Jia. Arnav, I would not wait for so long. 10 seconds.
Ma'am, is it 2.5 or 25?
2.5. And the entire length is 25.
Ma'am, I can't see.
Zoom it from your side. Pinch in. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, how do we just zoom it?
There's an go on at the bottom side, right hand side bottom. There's an option of zoom with a magnifying glass on it.
No, ma'am, there is
Ma'am,
no option.
ma'am,
I cannot see any.
Then you can zoom it from your cursor area, that is your touchpad. You can stretch it
Ma'am?
with both the fingers. Not annotate, without annotating.
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
think so. I think so. Answer is A, 150.
Well, the answer is correct because 50 times 20, okay, times I'm saying, sorry. Plus 25 multiplied with 2 is going to be 150. That's correct. And see, this is just given to confuse you. They have already given you the width as 25 over here. This is just to confuse you. 2.5 10 times. Okay. Thank you, Arnav. Aradhya say, Manoharan.
Ma'am, I found the answer for both of them.
Yeah, please send it in the chat box. And if you have done that, then good. Okay. Shravani has also not got a chance, but she is least bothered to say this to me. Why, Shravani? Where are you, by the way, right now? Shravani? I can see bright sunlight on your face.
Ma'am, I'm in Denmark.
Oh, that's why. Okay, fine. Let's go to number 8. Vedant, say.
Yes, ma'am. So the answer is 8D. 50.
125 with a 0 on it. Thank you. Okay, Aditi, is it clear? You have a doubt?
No, ma'am, I wanted to say that I also did not get a chance.
Oh, okay. Say, Sanya.
Ma'am, I also didn't get a chance, ma'am.
Oh my God, this list is increasing. Janvi and Samriddhi.
Got no chance.
No chance.
Where will I get so many questions from? Adya say.
Ma'am, I also got no chance.
Oh my God, let me run away now. Question number 9 and question number 10. Jia and Samriddhi Singh. Fast, fast, fast. Now Jia and Samriddhi Singh are under time pressure because contestants are more.
Ma'am, is the answer for the first the 27? square centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
That's right. Correct answer. Jia,
What is
done. Samriddhi
area of the
Singh.
square with the length of. Yes, ma'am. I'm reading the question. With 4 centimeter. Ma'am, ma'am, it is 16 square centimeter, I think.
That's right. Any doubts, anyone? No? Good
Ma'am.
news. Yes.
Ma'am,
And now
don't
I
think-
don't want anything extra. If you have a doubt, then tell me.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the ninth one 24 centimeter.
How is that possible? 4 into 4 is 16, no?
No, ma'am, in ninth.
Oh, so 9 into 3 is 27. So how 24 came in? 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, chocolate question number 1. Let's go this one with Aditi.
The length of a rectangular screen is 15 centimeter. Its area is 300 square centimeters. Find its width. Ma'am, I think we're supposed to divide 300 with 15.
That's right. What do we get?
We get 20. 20.
What
So-
will be the unit?
So the answer will be 20 centimeters.
That's right. Thank God you did not do the blunder mistake of taking square centimeter. Square comes only in area, not the side. This is where we are finding the side. The area is equals to length into breadth. And when one of the things is not given to us, then we shift the length to the other side and divide it by the area to get the width. And that's how the answer is 20 centimeter. Any doubts, anyone? This question? No? Okay. Then next question for Janvi. Janvi, find the side of the square whose perimeter is 240 and you have 30 seconds.
Yep.
You have exactly 13 seconds.
Ma'am, is it 9? Oh my god. 1 second.
Just divide the, okay, fine. You do it.
I got completely collapsed. So
Do you want me to go to Samriddhi Srivastav? Arnav, forget about it. Good night. Take care. You've already got a chance. Good night. Okay, Janvi, sorry. I'm going to Samriddhi Srivastav. Go ahead, Samriddhi.
Ma'am's 2B. We
And what did
divide,
you do?
I divided 240 by 6. I mean 4.
Perimeter divided by 4 is equals to side. Manvik, why were you raising hand?
Ma'am, I wanted to say something, and but now
That
I
something is the
forgotten.
answer, right? Then you realize you already got a chance. Say
Ma'am, I know,
Janvi.
and I didn't wanted to say.
ma'am, I wrote the
answer.
answer in the chat box. I realized, wow, I'm a crackhead.
That's okay. Okay. Anyone else who was left out? Adya, question number 3. What do you want, Manvik?
Ma'am, why would I just want to take the answer when I have sent it already in the group?
Don't know. Adya, say question number 3. 30 seconds.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhume God Pro. What happened?
Did you get my answers in chat?
No. I blocked you from the Zoom chat. You're sending too many messages.
I was answering
I'm
so
joking.
fast.
Ma'am, the answer is 6 centimeter.
6.
Option
I have
A.
a doubt. Did you check it correctly? Did you check all of these? What did you get as the sum? 24 plus 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 plus 8. Say. Adya, 36 plus 8.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Without the answer. That was the right answer. I was tricking you and you're falling in that trick. 44 it is. And when you subtract it, you get 6. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is that correct?
But ma'am, I did it like this. I added 8 plus 8 into 16. 16 plus 4 equals to
Oh,
20.
okay,
20
okay,
plus
okay.
7,
Understood,
30.
understood. You went from the other side. Say Aradhya Manoharan.
Ma'am, I did it also in a different way. I added all the numbers. Then I worked out each of the sums like 42
Subtracted
plus
it.
what is 50.
Oh, that would be too long, Aradhya. I should not do this. I would not suggest you doing that. Why would you
Yes.
check all the options when you can directly subtract it? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Janvi say, and is there anyone who is left out?
Mom, like, by the way, I know that 8 plus 8 is 16, so I just directly wrote 16. Then I
Okay.
like did
Tanya
this.
is left out. Shravani is left out. Okay, got you, got you. All right, here's a very long question. And I think I would need the help of Sanya as well as Shravani both in this question. And we have a target of finishing it in 3 minutes. So let's get started. Otherwise, we will not be able to do it. Oh, it's too hot now. Sweating. Okay, let's go. So first we'll start with Shravani. Shravani, all these rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, these all are what? Identical. What do you mean by identical? Shravani, welcome to
Ma'am,
the English club by Priyasha ma'am. What do you mean by identical?
they all have the same area and
Yes,
sides.
that's correct. So that means you have to find out this side and this side. Can you just tell me that? That will be the only task for you.
Ma'am,
Why is
that's
Gia raising hands?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
that's
2 minutes ago, you were like, it's so cold here. And after a few minutes,
Absolutely.
you were like removing and saying that it's wet.
Yes, exact. That's the entire reason why I'm unwell. Because the weather is changing drastically. Say, Riyansh.
Sad life, ma'am.
Ma'am, today there will be game.
This Riyansh will get beatings from me virtually. Last class also I told you, go away, Riyansh. When we'll start, you will automatically know. Don't raise your hand to ask me this.
Okay.
Shravani, say.
Ma'am, it's 4 centimeter.
10 minus 6, 4 here. And 18 minus 12,
4.
6. 6. 18 minus 12. So the area of this part is 24, this part is 24, this part is 24, and this part is 24. Now I need the area of the shaded part. So see, you can actually break the shaded part and also find out the area and then add it. That is also one possibility. But since I have already calculated 24 times 4, 16, 196 as the unshaded area, finding out the area of the total rectangle is much easier. So I'll go to, who was the other one left out? Shravani, Sanya. Sanya, what is 18 times 10? The total area of the rectangle?
18 times. Ma'am, the whole rectangle? That's
18 times 10.
92.
18 times 10. That's the entire rectangle. 18 and 10 here. What are you
Ma'am,
doing on
180.
paper? Time? Yeah. And now listen, when they ask you the shaded area, all you need to do is subtract the total minus unshaded. And we already know the unshaded is 96. So subtract it, Sanya, and tell me what do you get? 180 minus 96. Shravani, you also subtract. Tell me what's the answer. Say, Manvi.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how did that become the total because was over there that's of two sides only.
This is
18.
18 and this is 10. In a rectangle, we only need the length and the breadth. If this is
Okay,
10,
ma'am.
this is also 10. This is 18, this is also 18.
Ma'am,
Yes,
84, ma'am.
thank you. So 84 centimeters square will be my answer, everyone. Check, everyone, okay? Manvik, say, any doubts? Your hand is raised.
Ma'am, I accidentally kept the hand raised.
Okay, Jia,
Ma'am, how did you get 96 and 24?
I got 24, the area of each rectangle here. Did you understand how?
Multiplying?
Yeah, 6 and 4. And
Okay.
they are saying that all these rectangles are identical. So if the area of one of them is 24, the area of all four of them is 24. So 24 times 4, 96.
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
Yes, Aditi, say.
Ma'am, this is school level questions and I practiced way harder questions in school.
Good. Okay, everyone. Then in that case, let's go. And yeah, what did we play last class? Gold Quest. Sorry. Yeah.
Ma'am, can
So
we play
Battle
today,
Royale.
Ma'am,
Gold Quest? Gold
That
Quest.
was Gold
guys,
Quest,
don't
ma'am,
do
please.
like this, please.
Never ever.
Guys, if you talk like this, we're already late, as you see. Okay. So what we will do is, we'll go for a knockback today. Okay. In Gimkit, we'll play knockback. And since it's less time, we'll have a very short 3 minutes match.
Ma'am,
Tiny
how
3 minutes.
to play, ma'am?
You have to just shoot, Sanya. Okay. People will be around you. You have to answer questions to get some energy to run here and there and use the up arrow key to jump. And whomsoever you see around you, you just shoot at them. No suggestion for the games. If you don't like this game, you have the option to leave the class and go. You don't
Ma'am,
have to
can you
tell
put
me.
it
It's
5
okay.
minutes instead of 3 minutes?
No, it's very, very, I mean, it will take time for you people to join also. So, sorry. 3 minutes only. Next class we'll have a long one, don't worry. Because next class, the things will be easier. Why? Because you have already done area and perimeter. Then you have to just do the same concept, but word problems. So that will be easier. We'll finish before time and we can do a longer match. Today, let's adjust with this one. Join fast. Say Vedant. No commentators.
Okay, ma'am. Then I just wanted to ask if I wanted to comment.
I know, but no commentators for today because you will not be able to see the screen, even if I share screen. Sorry. Next class, we can have a lottery for the people who want to comment it. So you can type it in the chat box that you want to comment it. I'll collect your names and I'll run a lottery for you guys.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Adya.
Ma'am, when I'm putting my name, it's not allowing me to join.
Then you put anything random, not a problem.
Is the game started?
No, no, no. We are about to.
Because a lot of people are jumping around.
Yeah, you can jump around. That's not a problem. But we will start the game in like next 30 seconds.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can't find.
Excuse me, ma'am. When
Yeah,
I'm
Adya.
putting another name, it's not only allowing me to join.
What is it saying?
It's saying
Where?
just there was an error. Please refresh the page and try again.
So it's not allowing you in that case, Adya. Try joining it again.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, it
Say,
happened this time.
guys,
Ma'am,
raise your
Ma'am, I
hand now.
joined.
Okay. Aradhya, say.
Ma'am, I joined.
Okay, Adya.
Ma'am,
Mishika, what happened?
ma'am,
Hmm.
by mistake I joined 3 times.
That's okay. Now you find out where are you even moving. Say,
Yeah.
Arnav,
Ma'am, I can't even move myself.
you have to click on that screen and then move with the up arrow, left, right arrow. Say, Arnav.
Okay.
Can you please show the instructions?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Instructions are
I
on the screen.
I thought
I'll
it
still
will
show.
work with the mouse.
Okay, no worries. No, it cannot move with the mouse. You need the keys. All right, quickly,
Fine.
everyone, before getting started, just to show you out here, see, look at the top where I'm jumping. It says answer questions. Now, this blue color button is not visible because we have not started the game yet. So, answer questions will come on the left-hand side bottom of your screen. Okay. And then if you go follow me at the top, they're showing you have to knock off the players so that they fall from the platforms. Okay, that's the only thing you're supposed to do. So let's get started, everyone. All the best. We are recording this one. Have fun. The first strategy should be to answer the questions. At least answer one or two. Bhumek, you're unmuted. Also, by the way, when you're answering questions, you are immune, so no one can hit you while you're answering questions. But don't use this unnecessarily because there's no point of not fighting. Oh my God, I fell. Quite a lot of people here standing just like that. Oh, Parth. Oh my God. Riyansh, I see you. Riyanshi also. Platform number 7 is the last platform. So if you make someone fall off that platform, they die, just like I died. Bhumik, you're saying something? Please fall, Riyansh. Oh, what a nice place to respawn at. Go ahead. You can directly ask. Uh, no need to raise hand. You can directly ask.
Ma'am,
Tanaya did it. Yeah, Hanifa.
ma'am, when I'm clicking answer questions, I can't answer
Mm-hmm.
the questions. I can't answer the questions.
Why? What
I'm
is it
clicking
saying?
on. No, I'm clicking answer questions and I can't even move.
Yeah, while answering questions, you can't move. You have to click on close and then you can move.
No, I'm clicking answer questions, but I can't answer.
Maybe are you on a tablet?
Yeah.
Excuse me,
Okay,
ma'am.
that's why something must be coming on your screen. Try to remove the camera or something else.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, say, go ahead. Someone else is also asking me something.
Ma'am, how do I shoot the others?
You have to click on that person on the screen.
Ma'am, I don't know. I don't know. Suddenly some app opened and I have to.
No worries. Good screen. And good job, everyone. That was a quick match and everyone did a great job. Thank you. Say
I
Janvi.
came 23rd, ma'am.
That's not a problem. Come on. Just a game. Okay.
I came 25th.
Many of
Ma'am,
you
I
didn't
came
even
4th.
shoot. Ideally, there is not even shoot. Okay, no problem. Next time. This is the first time we are doing it. Probably that's why. Okay, guys, it's too late. No
Ma'am, I
talking about the
shooted.
game, please.
Ma'am, what about the game?
The class was great. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, the class was wonderful.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank Okay,
The
one second.
The class
was great.
homework.
It was wonderful.
That's what I was about to write. The homework is set 5. Okay. So do the geometry set 5 and come next class.
Excuse
Say
me,
Janvi.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm planning to like make a math game. Yes, I'm using block coding, so don't just judge me. And like, do you have any suggestions what I could add? I'm noting it down.
For what?
I'm going to like develop a math game. Like, if you
Oh,
have any
math
suggestions.
game. Okay, let me think over it and remind me next class. Okay.
By
On
the way,
Friday.
you
I'll
wrote
think.
set 4 instead of
चलो
set
उधर
5.
Papa, I
Oh
came
yeah,
fourth.
thank you.
चलो उधर
Yes,
जाओ
yes.
फोर्थ आने चाहिए थे
I'll just correct it.
चलो वेरी गुड
Ma'am, can
I'll
you do
just
what?
सही कर रहे आंसर.
स्पीड की वजह से रही चलो उधर हो
Ma'am, the class was
Speed नहीं, ऐसे shoot
Thank
करना
you,
होता है.
Riyashi. Bye.
कितने questions
Ma'am,
answer
the
करें?
class was
Sakshi.
great.
Samriddhi, you are unmuted. You're explaining the game to your dad or
Ma'am,
what?
sorry.
I love
Ma'am, I
it.
came.
And the class was
Ma'am, I came fourth place.
Good job.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yeah, everyone.
Ma'am,
Bye
you
bye.
came
Take
second
care.
place.
Yeah. See you
Bye,
again.
ma'am. Ma'am, how
Thank
many
you,
people
Bhuman.
did you
Bye.
kill?
17.
How many people did you?
17. Srihan
Ma'am, I
killed
only
18.
killed 6.
Good job. Bye bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Yeah, Bhuman.
Can you allow this? I send your number to group.
You don't have my number. Why do you keep saying this? Okay, you send it. You send it to me, no, then I'll get to know which number are you talking about.
Okay.
Bye. Take care. Next class.